Hi guys, welcome to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can download draft video on TikTok. So before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you simply need to do is to open TikTok application and click on profile in the right bottom. And here you need to click on your draft video. You simply need to click on that. And the first method you simply need to screen record, but I do not recommend this. So you simply need to click on next and click on more options, and in the bottom you can see an option of save to your device, but as you can see there is no option. So the only option is you simply need to post that video. So once you post it, let me show you the option you have to download. So let's suppose you post a video, and after that you need to click on three dots, and here you can see save video in the bottom. So you simply need to click on that and you can easily download draft video. So this is the process. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.